Tuberculosis or TB is a granulomatous infectious disease. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculi or bovis.
Tuberculosis is one of the world's deadliest diseases, threatening majorly the developing countries. One-third of the world's population is infected with the bacteria that causes TB. Tuberculosis is a major cause of morbidity and mortality in developing countries like India. Approximately 1.6 million people per year are losing their lives due to tuberculosis. Tuberculosis can be treated by using the following drugs. Then what is the necessity to discover new drugs when we already have a standard treatment? Longer duration of therapy leads to missing of follow-up, which eventually results in non-adherence towards medication, which may further cause the development of resistance towards the drug. Besides having several benefits, one cannot deny that the current drug therapy has equal number of adverse effects and side effects. The current therapy is inadequate against multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, and unfortunately we don't have any new drugs to counter the condition. People with weakened immune systems have a much greater risk of falling ill from tuberculosis. A person living with HIV is about 20 to 30 times more likely to develop tuberculosis. Treatment for such condition involves high pill count, which may also lead to interactions between antiretroviral drugs and anti-TB drugs, further worsening the patient condition. Along with this, we have one more major problem, that is high cost therapy for multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, making it much difficult to poor people who cannot afford it. Above mentioned factors are clearly alarming the need to discover new drugs and also to put a pause on rapidly increasing morbidity and mortality rates, which are expected to attain much higher number, might even be doubled or tripled, making several victims to lose their precious lives. At least now we have to wake up, and in order to drive down TB deaths and burden, newer drugs should be discovered and brought into the market with fewer side effects and decreased duration of therapy.